बारे में आपको बताया है कि हमारे यहाँ पर जो पूरे केंद्रीय विद्यालय हैं वो 1248 केंद्रीय विद्यालय हैं। हमारा जो केंद्रीय विद्यालय है वो किसी और जो विद्यालयों से कम नहीं है, ये सबसे आगे है और यहाँ पर हर बच्चे का हर चीज़ में विकास होता है। आप कहीं खेल कूद ले लीजिए, इनकी पढ़ाई ले लीजिए, हर चीज़ में ये आगे रहते हैं। हम सिर्फ पढ़ाई के अलावा और चीज़ों में भी इनका पूरा ध्यान रखते हैं, पूरा विकास इनका होता है यहाँ पर। प्यारे मेरे अभिभावकों, एक बात और बताना चाहूँगी कि देखिए शिक्षा तो हर जगह मिल जाती है, लेकिन आपको मैं ये बताना चाहूँगी आप अपने बच्चों को एक अनुशासन सिखाइए। अनुशासन अगर आपने सिखा दिया तो बच्चा, आप यकीन नहीं करेंगे, वो दिनों दिन तरक्की करेगा। दूसरी बात यह है कि अगर आपने उसको अनुशासन सिखा दिया, उसको एक अच्छा इंसान बनाइए। अगर बच्चा अच्छा इंसान बन जाता है तो आप यकीन नहीं करेंगे, आप जो चाहेंगे आपका बच्चा बन जाएगा। आप चाहते हैं आपका बच्चा डॉक्टर बन जाए, इंजीनियर बन जाए, बड़े बड़े पदों का कार्य करे, तो क्यों नहीं कर सकता? हर बच्चा कर सकता है। हर भगवान ने हम सबको सब चीज़ बराबर बांटी है। अगर हमें 2 आंखें दी है, 2 कान दिए हैं, बुद्धि दी है, मस्तिष्क दिया है, सब कुछ हमें बराबर दिया है, फिर हम किसी से कम क्यों हम अपने आप को कम माने कि हम किसी से कम है और हम आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते? तो आप लोगों का सहयोग हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है। आप यहाँ पर आए हैं, आज आपने अपना समय निकाला है, आप हमेशा अपने बच्चों के लिए समय निकालिएगा। लोगों का अभिनंदन है, आदाब है, हर चीज़ आपके लिए स्वागत के लिए है कि आपको जब भी जरूरत पड़े हमारे विद्यालय में आइएगा और हमारे शिक्षक साथी आपका सब लोग सहयोग देंगे। हमारे प्राचार्य श्री के पास जब आइए आप, पर हमने अभी जो हमारे कुछ नियम है वो अभी आपको सुनीता मैडम के द्वारा बताए जाएंगे। आप उन चीज़ों का थोड़ा ध्यान रखिए कि क्योंकि पढ़ाई के साथ साथ आपको भी हैंडल करना है, तो कुछ चीज़ें हैं वो अभी आपको, और हमारी एक सीनियर मोस्ट सुनीता मैडम है वो आपको सब कुछ बताएंगी। तो मैं पुनः एक बार आप सभी का धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ। बस मुझे आखिरी कुछ याद आ रही है, ये दौलत भी ले लो, ये शौहरत भी ले लो, मगर मुझसे छीन लो मेरी जवानी, मगर ये कागज़ की कश्ती और ये कागज़ की कश्ती और बारिश का पानी। तो बारिश तो आज रुकी हुई है। धन्यवाद। तो मैं मेरे बच्चों के लिए बहुत दिल से दुआ करती हूँ, आगे बढ़े, निरंतर सब सके। धन्यवाद सभी का। थैंक यू सो मच।
I would like to invite Sunita ma'am for a presentation.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, dear parents. How are you? Are you feeling very happy? You should be very happy because there are so many candidates and out of them only you are selected. So you should be very proud, you should be feeling very happy yourself that you were selected for this big organization. Okay? So on behalf of Kendriya Vidyalaya ONGC Sibsagar and Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, we would like to welcome you to the very extended family. You are also now a part of our big family. So once again, on behalf of the principal sir, our head madam, all the staff, all the students, we welcome you to the family. So now I'm going to present a few things, what to do, what not to do, what is the KB, to let you know about us. Some of you are already aware because your students are studying here. But for those who are new, okay, to KB, so here are the few points I will be telling. Just give a patient hearing and you will understand everything. So I'll begin now. Our motto, Tatvan Purshan Apagrino, that is, O Son, please uncover that, where the force of truth is covered by the golden lid of sun, please uncover so that the truth of Dharma is visible. Uncover the truth of the knowledge so that we can become more better in every day. So what is our objective? Its objective is to educate children of the Indian Defence Forces personnel who are often posted to remote locations or central government employees and admitting students are the RT, which is under 2009. So these are the children who are admitted to the KB. Going to the second slide. So Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is an autonomous body under the Ministry of Education, Government of India. The schools of KGs are divided into 25 regions. All over India, the schools are divided into 25 regions. 25 regions are divided for ourselves. And from there, Guwahati is one of the regions. Okay, and we as a school of Kendriya Vidyalaya ONGC Sibsagar, we are part of the Guwahati region. around all over India, we have 1,248 KVs, and they are growing day by day. More KVs are coming up day by day. In spite of that, we also have KVs in foreign countries like Sarasol, in Moscow, Tehran, and Kathmandu also. Okay, so KVs are coming up in all places, not only in India, and even in the foreign countries. We should be very proud of that because we are part of that big family. Okay, next is our prize. Our Deputy Commissioner is Shri Varun Mitra sir. I think the thing is visible to you. Our Assistant Commissioner is Shri Venkateshwar Prasad. It is there in the screen in front of you. Our Honorable Principal Shri Navratan Mittal sir is here. Please give sir a very big hand. Most respected Headmistress Srimati Nutan Singh ma'am is also here in front of us. Now, according to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, what is an education? What is the purpose of an education? The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers. Teachers are going to create good human beings, not only teachers. You on your part are also going to do it. It is your duty. It is not that you have given admission to class 1, my duty is over. Imagine, अपना लगे निजा लॉर्ड को क्लास 1 और एडमिशन ले निजे भाभी लोग आप अपने आप सोचो आपका भी दाखिला हो गया है क्लास 1 में. You are also admitted in class 1 as a student. You will be regularly doing studying classwork homework with your children. Whatever they are doing, you will be doing. Then only you will progress, your children will progress, the school will progress. That just giving admission, my work is over, that will not help. Regular checking of your classwork, homework, your children's bags, notebooks, books, everything should be done very regularly with you. You should be updated about everything what your child is doing in the school. And if there is any confusion, you are always having your class teachers to talk to. You always have your head madam, your principal or any other teacher in the school, you can just come. Okay? So this is our duty. Our duty is to look after our children. These are our biggest assets. Just keep in mind. Now some school rules. What to do, what not to do. Classes has already started from today, officially. School timing is 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Your child should report in the school about 7:45. Before or in 7:45 a.m. you drop your child. Make sure that you are only coming to drop and take also. School is Monday to Saturday continuously. Then first, third, fourth or fifth Saturday will be a fun day. Every Saturday you are having a fun day. Other than second Saturday. Second Saturday Hoday Bondho. Second Saturday is a holiday. Other than that, all the Saturdays for the children is a fun day. They are going to do different activities. Fun day doesn't mean they are having fun. They will be enjoying and learning. Learning while doing different kind of activities. Now, the last working day of every month is a half day. 1:45 from the school gate. When the school is over, you are going to come. Now here, we do not want my chacha, nana, this friend, that friend is coming. You should be responsible, whole and soul of your child. You should be coming to pick your child as well as dropping your child. Sometimes in case of a sickness, sometimes immediately there is some emergency, then make sure that you are coming. Please don't send any second or third person to the school. It is very difficult for us to hand over the child also. It is your child, so the responsibility lies with you. বুঝি পাইছে সকলোৱে মই কি কথা কৈছোঁ? যদি কেতিয়াবা ইহঁতৰ কিবা কিবি বেমাৰ চেমাৰ হয় আপোনালোকে নিজে আহিব লগতে. আমাৰ থাৰ্ড পাৰ্চন ছেকেণ্ড পাৰ্চন নপঠাব, নিজে আহিব, কাৰণ ৰেছপনচিবিলিটি আমি ইয়াত হেণ্ড অভাৰ কেতিয়াও তেনেকৈ নকৰোঁ. Your head madam or the principal will never hand over. No teacher will hand over. So take that responsibility. If they are coming, another very important, if your child is traveling by a school car or a bus or whatever communication means of communication, the Aadhaar card and the phone number of the driver must be submitted to the class teacher. Driver or Aadhaar card number, phone number, class teacher apnalage jama kori dibo kindly. Okay? You can give it in the WhatsApp also, whatever way the class teacher will tell you, so you hand over that. Now, our uniform in summer. Now we are having a summer season, so this is the uniform in the summer. Regular uniform to be worn on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Wednesday or Saturday. Wednesday, Saturday they will be wearing your house uniform. House uniform, house distribution class teachers will make and they will give you. Class teacher and house distribution को reply अपना लोग house red, green, blue, yellow, uniform. So according to that you send your children house dress only Wednesday and Saturday. Our uniform in winter, boys are allowed in full pants during winter. Okay? During the summertime, boys will be coming in half pants, shorts. Because it is very hot, they will be coming in half pants. But during the winter time, they are allowed full pants. And girls will be allowed leggings. Okay? Stockings or leggings, whatever the may be. So according to that, they can come during the winter days. Now, those who are sporting, some girls are sporting very short hair, some are having this length, shoulder length, or some are having very long hair. So I wanted to show you. I've invited some students. Now, those who are having very long hair, they will be tying two plaits. Chote karna hai, beni kuch bole gaye. They will be tying two plaits with red color ribbon on both sides. If you are having short shoulder length hair, make sure that there is two ponytails with a red ribbon here. Alright? And very short, other than that, they will be sporting a band. Okay, thank you. Very much. Then about books and notebooks. You have to be buying 4 notebooks, 1 drawing note copy, that's all. 4 notebooks, 4-line notebook for English. English cover, it will be in blue color, this way. Then double-line notebook for Hindi. Hindi you will be covering in yellow color. This is for the Hindi notebook in yellow color. Then math is the square-line box that will be in the red color. And then for EVS, you have the green color. Now for EVS for class 1 and 2, there is no prescribed book from the KBS. But they are taking some Let's Learn or something like that book. The syllabus is given, according to that the teacher will be giving. So there is not any concern about that. So colors are given. If there is any confusion, you can contact your class teacher and they will be briefing you about that. Now what to bring to school? What to bring to school now? Parents, please listen to this very carefully. Etia apnalke school life ki pothabo rotli bagot. Books sub eko nalage etia ki pothabo laibo 2 folders. 2 folders, name written and photo pasted ane. Passport size photo koi apnalke ban paste kori dibo. You should need 2 folders. 2 scrapbooks. I think you know what is a scrapbook. 2 scrapbooks, there are colored pages inside, red color, green, blue color. So 2 scrapbooks. Pencil, eraser, sharpener, crayons for coloring, scale, glue stick or a gum, whatever. Then your lunch bag, water bottle, napkin, sanitizer, mask also. Okay, make sure to send very good hygienic food so that they grow well, healthy body size and a healthy mind, isn't it? So children should be healthy, then they will grow up good and they will study well also. Okay, next is learning goals of foundational literacy and numeracy. Your child must attain minimum level of learning by the end of class 1. By the end of class 1, that means by March, he should be able or she should be able to at least read and write a few sentences. They must be knowing some mathematical numbers and problems also. Read small sentences consisting of at least 4 or 5 simple words in an age-appropriate unknown text. They should be able to read. Now most of the children, I think they have come from KG school. KG school or pre-primary school. Read and write numbers from 1 to 99 by the end of the year. And perform simple additions and subtractions. Plus, minus, they have to be able to just do simple plus and minus sums. Now, the main point is Vidya Pravesh. Now, this is a Vidya Pravesh for them. Vidya Pravesh is a program under National Mission on Foundational Literacy and Numeracy. It is a 3-month play-based program. But here in this session, we will be doing it for 2 months only. It is meant to familiarize children with the school environment, maintain well-being through the practice of health, yoga, nutrition, hygienic and safety habits. These all will be taught to you. Fitness, there are many programs, fitness programs, yoga programs, everything will be taught, given to you in the WhatsApp group. So according to that, you make your children practice. For social emotional development also there are many programs here. Learning of ethical values and cultural diversity, building the foundations of math, language and literacy, interaction with the physical, social and natural environment, address the practice of foundational literacy and numeracy. So they will be learning not only through the textbook, but various other activities they are going to learn, learning by doing. Okay? Now what is your role as a parent? Where do you stand? What is your role? अपना लोगों काम की काम करी पड़ेगा. Be in touch with the school to support the learning of the children at home. Whenever we call you for a meeting, PTA and whatever meeting, you please make sure that you are attending the school. Today we are very happy to see you. So whenever there is a meeting, please do make sure that you are in the school. Try to complete the homework activities as instructed by the school. Whatever homework, very less, few homework will be given, but please try to do it. When a child comes home after school, ask him or her, how did it die? School after did it, how did it die? You ask him, what was the most joyful event in the school? Ki koi bhal phale, kenema phale, ki subject phale, koi teacher ki ko phale, kenema lagle gute din, gute ki process करके kenema को कोई हो, या तो gute ने इसको, आप इनसे बातें करना पूछना. Okay, whatever activities is going on. Then observe the mood, the behavior of the child at home, what they are interested and how they perform the activities. Keep observing the child all the time. Some of them may be interested in drawing, some may be in games, some in music. There are varieties, isn't it? All are not same. So keep a track of the child, what they are interested and how they develop themselves. That is up to you to do. Alright? Then allow the child to do the activities on their own. Facilitate them, guide them, but let them do the activities on their own. They will do the learning by doing. If all the time I am doing the homework for my child, if I am writing the project for my child, then they will not learn. Let them do it on their own. It doesn't matter if it's right or wrong, but let them do it so that they can learn. And don't always force them to read the textbooks. You can also give them small story books or whatever. So they will be reading like that and they will develop the reading habit like that. Okay, now next is your goals as a parent. But you are all, I think you know this. Avoid giving junk food. We all like momos and chopping. We all like very tasty, yummy, and all the time mouth waters for that. But we should avoid that. Try to give them something healthy. Keep regular checkups of your health checkup of your child. Always make sure that the child is always very healthy. Present situation everybody knows, so make sure that your child is always very healthy. Encourage them to do physical activities as I told you, games, yoga, swimming, jumping, exercising, cycling, anything. And don't pressure